Today on Bowl of Delicious, we're making chicken and zucchini meatballs. Yeah, they're healthy, but they're also super juicy and really packed full of flavor. First, grate a couple of zucchini onto a clean kitchen towel, sprinkle with salt, and set aside. Crack an egg into a bowl, add some breadcrumbs, milk, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix it up and add some olive oil for extra juiciness. Now go back to that zucchini, roll it up in a clean towel, and wring it out over your sink or over a bowl to get out as much of that water as you possibly can. Add the grated zucchini to the mixture along with some ground chicken and mix it up. I like using my hands for this. Grab a greased baking sheet and scoop the meatball mixture out onto the baking sheet. Bake it for about 20 minutes and broil at the end to make them extra brown. I like serving these meatballs with marinara sauce for dipping as an appetizer or snack. It's also amazing over your favorite pasta with your favorite sauce sprinkled with cheese. Yum! You can get this recipe and so many others on bowlofdelicious.com.